All right, as we continue going over the A minor pentatonic scale in the different positions, we're going to look at shape/box number 3. We are going to start on the 10th fret of the 6th string, and it will look like this. Again, you can use the fingers how you see fit. I tend to change them up every once in a while depending on which direction I'm going in. If it's easier for you, you can begin with your index finger. Over years, I've just gotten all my fingers involved, so sometimes I'll just use these two, or you can go this way. But let's go over the frets and the strings, and you can decide what you think is best, okay? So I'm going to go 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12. Now here's where we're going to shift a little bit. We're going to go 9, 12, and then another shift of 10 to 13, and then we're going to go 10, 12. Try that one again. We'll go back down one more time. And there's our root D A. You can hear how it all kind of ties together still. Again, let's just memorize the shape, play the shape, and then as we continue, we'll talk about how and why it all works together. Okay, again, we're only using 5 notes, okay, but we're playing them differently, and you'll see how this is starting to tie together, okay?